We went to visit Cali Splash Park, an inflatable aquapark on Castaic Lake. The bounce park is located on Castaic Lagoon, also known as Lower Castaic Lake. We swam from the shore out to the aquapark. We ran around a connected network of floating paths. There were trampolines to jump on. There were lots of different obstacle courses to get through.
Yeah. Just hold on.
We loved going on all the different slides right into the lake.
Good job, Emerson. Whoa.
Then there was the blob, where we could launch each other into the lake.
There you go. How's it going? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Uh-oh. You made it, Elliot! Whoa! Wait, Elliot!
Cali Splash Park is on Castaic Lake, so we also spent some time at the beach swim area nearby. Both Cali Splash Park and Castaic Lake were great summer water activities.